Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will be teaching you the E minor scale on the trumpet. Now before we get started, I just want to say, if you like my content and you want to see more, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and now let's get right into it. Okay, so first I will be playing the scale for you guys, and then I'm going to be showing you what the notes are and how to play them. Okay, so this is what the E minor scale sounds like on the trumpet. And keep in mind, I'm playing the natural minor. So yeah, this is what it sounds like. So that is what it sounds like, and now for the tutorial. Okay, so this scale starts off with the note E, which is played 1 and 2. The next note is F sharp, and one good way to figure out the key signature for minor scales is if you go to the 6th note on the relative major scale, which in this case is G. So the 6th note is E, and you just keep the key signature the same, and that's how we get 1 sharp, F sharp in the E minor scale, and this applies to any scale, any relative major and relative minor. And keep in mind, I will be having a music theory video coming out soon, so make sure to stick around for that. And so the next note is F sharp, which is played 2. The next note is G, which is played open. The next note is A, which is played 1 and 2. The next note is B, which is played 2. The next note is C, which is played open. The next note is D, which is played 1. And the last note, which is the same as the first, is E. But this time, since we are in the upper octave, we are playing it as open. So those are the notes for the scale, and one last time, this is how the E minor scale sounds like on the trumpet.